Hello and welcome back to Programming with Adam, and in this video we will be continuing looking at LeetCode problems. So far we got to remove element and it looks like that. So basically you get a list and you have to remove the function should return length 2, right? Because after we remove all occurrences of 3, the remaining list would be 2. It doesn't matter what you leave beyond the return length. So there it is. There are so many ways to implement this, but it's saying given arrays and value, remove all instances of the value and return the new length. So it does say here that we have to change the array, the list. So when it's saying it doesn't matter what you leave beyond the new length, that means like the first 2 elements have to be like for this example here, the first 2 elements of nums will have to be 2, 2, and then after that it doesn't matter. But we do have to modify nums. Okay, so return. So right now it just looks, I haven't implemented anything, just returning the length of nums. And what I'm doing is, I think the fastest way to do it is while. So you go through, you check if value is in nums. Okay, and if it is, then you remove it. So nums, remove the value. And let's just run that. See, it removed 3. So that's roughly it. And so how do I know that? Remember the tutorial I went through. There is the remove method here, so you can simply remove. So alternatively, if you wanted to, you could have used index. You could and so it will look something like delete nums of. So if you really don't want to remove or use the remove method, because we're kind of, that's what we're implementing. So nums of nums index of value. Okay, we could also have done that. Let's try to run that. It gives the same result, but I think it's probably equivalent, so I will not worry about it. But let's just, yeah. So maybe just not to use the. Okay, no, we want it as fast as possible. Probably they're the same. So we will just take that code, go back to LeetCode, remove element. Oh, we already have it. So put it in here. If I did that. Okay, you can actually, with a little more care, you can place it at the correct spot, so I don't have to be moving around. Run code. And no, that one is wrong. What? Okay. Return. Okay, so it was still wrong. Seems to be working fine. So Let's just submit it. Okay, so we got 99.69%. So I think I'm pretty happy with that, and I will leave it at that. Okay, so that was it. Stop.